What's a better decision if you're trying to scale an e-commerce brand, taking out $1 million in debt or $1 million in equity? Founders love to debate this topic as if there's a right answer, but the truth is it entirely depends on what you're going to use the capital for. Debt is temporary. You borrow it, you pay it back, and you move on. Equity is permanent. You give it up and it's gone, unless you buy it back at a premium. So a $1 million loan might cost you $1.2 million in cash flow, but $1 million for 20% of equity, that could cost you tens of millions down the road. Equity tends to work if the cost of debt is too expensive or if an investor brings more than just cash, but some strategic value. But even more importantly, it tends to fit well when the thing that you're going to spend that money on is something long-term, where the ROI is not guaranteed, or if it's going to take a really long time to realize, like an investment in infrastructure or R&D or launching a retail channel. Debt preserves ownership, but it is riskier and it can sink your business. That's why you want to match your debt to uses that are going to generate an ROI in a short term. Using debt for long-term plays tends to be a cash flow crisis just waiting to happen. You might be tempted to raise as much money as possible while the opportunity is there until you realize how expensive dilution can be. So what about for your brand? If you had the opportunity to get $1 million in debt or equity, which one would you take?